Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do another read for you. Cancer, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's see Cancer, what's going on with you, what's going on with your person and what we can expect now in this connection. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Cancer, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Cancer, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. So newbies, I'm setting down these two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center, I'll have your mutual energies, your dialogue message cards, and the action cards as to see what your next steps will be. So here we go. And for the duration of the reading, Cancer, for me this is person A, this is person B. You will know which side you resonate best with, right? If this is your story. So overall energy of this reading, Cancer, is the Three of Pentacles. Now sometimes, of course, this can mean wanting to work things out or wanting to work on a connection, but sometimes it also implicates third-party situations, which I do see somewhere. But there is some kind of a player energy here. Something happened here where something came to an end. Maybe somebody was immature, they were not ready to settle down, they still wanted to go and see what else was out there, and maybe some words were exchanged between the two of you. Communication has already happened about this, maybe a rash, quick fight or something where things have kind of come to a close right now. But who knows, maybe there's somebody here who still wants to work on things, right? So what I'm going to do, Cancer, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards, see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify all these cards. So Cancer and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person spirit. Let's take a few more from here, Cancer. Cancer and their person. They could say something to each other now. Okay. Good to go, Cancer. Let's begin your reading. The first card here says, I have faith that we'll be together again. I'm holding space for you. I don't care what my family or anyone else has to say. I want you and nobody else. I'm a completely new and better person because of you. I have a hard time focusing on you when I'm trying to build an empire. I fell so deeply in love with you. You changed up and that triggers me. I want to make things right between us. I don't think I can handle this anymore. Okay, so Cancer, these are kind of resonating with your storyline. Let's start clarifying these cards. I'm going to start with the energy of person A. Person A has the Knight of Wands. Why is that, Spirit? Why do they feel in this energy? Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands. Yes, I think somebody here, was always either a player or they were never kind of focusing on person B, never committing, maybe always wanting to see what else is out there. I guess this kind of behavior of theirs led to a huge tower moment in this connection. Somebody just not wanting to settle down or see, for long-term potential in this connection or something, and always pretending to be, But I think now they are becoming a bit serious. They are becoming a bit serious. They do want to have some kind of talk, some kind of communication where they can do something to heal this broken heart and maybe start a brand new chapter. Maybe in the past somebody was really playing around here. They were or not playing around, maybe they were just not ready for a commitment. But now somebody has gone through a big wake up call. They are kind of looking into the future to see, oh my God, I mean, everything is not fun and games. I have a future to look into, and I do see person B in my future. Now I think they do want to come in with some communication, straight, clear, clean, honest communication. So to kind of heal things between the two of you. I think person A is looking for to start a new chapter with person B. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit? That person A is now feeling like this. 6 of Wands in reverse. I think this person A could have just kind of taken this, they were a bit controlling. It was all about, my way or the highway, being a bit of a dictator, trying to steer the connection the way they wanted it, never really kind of focusing on long-term emotional happiness between the two of you. And that's the reason I think this connection got dropped. Maybe person B dropped it, or just this connection just didn't work out because of one person's indecisive behavior. This connection was lost or it was released. So how does person A now see this connection, Spirit, overall? Or how do they see their person? Emperor in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Oh, now they've kind of, they are now realizing, yes, they're feeling they've done something really wrong. They're feeling karma is really hitting them big time. Maybe they're realizing their own mistakes where they could have been very controlling or, always wanting it to have it their way and never really being that emperor, the way one should be in a connection to kind of bring balance and harmony and take charge of a connection. This person is now feeling that they've lost their power. They're feeling they're getting bad karma ever since, they've been released or this connection has been dropped. They are now, they know, deep in their heart, they know that this is my Two of Cups. They feel a very strong bond with person B and they're realizing, oh my God, they've had that tower moment. They're, facing maybe the brunt of their actions now and also recognizing that person B is that Two of Cups. I think now this person could be thinking of, committing or a long-term stable relationship or something. So what's this Four of Wands, Spirit? Four of Wands? Oh my God, Cancer. I need a thumbs up right now. Four of Wands is clarified by the Four of Wands. I have to show this to you. So this is how a person is now perceiving this connection. This is my twin flame. This is my soulmate. This is the person I want. And, what have I done? I made a huge mistake. So now they want to kind of rectify, they want to have this communication to set things right and start brand new once again with person B. Four of Wands clarified. Why I feel like framing these. It's so beautiful to even look at. Okay, so what action they're going to finally take, I'm going to open later, Cancer. Let's go on to the other side and see how person B is doing. So Cancer, you could be on person B's end or person A's end. I have no clue. But before that, Cancer, I forgot, I must take an angel blessing card to just get a blessing from the angels. See what they have to say in this connection. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Okay. Movement is coming. It's time to start moving. Person A, if you haven't moved till now, I think you better start, getting cracking there because the angels are behind this connection, it seems, and they're promising that swift movement will soon begin. Okay? So let's put this beautiful card here and let's start with the energies of person B. So person B has the Knight of Swords. Why is that, Spirit? Knight of Swords. Yes, I think there could have been some harsh communication maybe in the past. Maybe some words were exchanged or something ended or started too quickly. This kind of led to a stagnation here, and person B feels, this entire connection kind of backfired. It really didn't do well for me. Maybe they feel cheated or feel lied to, and they just feel that they feel like a loser, or they feel everything kind of just backfired on them, because maybe they had hopes for something better than what was offered, and this fight or words exchanged kind of really kind of made them feel bad. So 8 of Wands, Spirit. 8 of Wands. 8 of Wands. Person B also wishes for communication. Yes, they do wish for communication. They do want this fight to end between the two of you. And, all this sorrow, regret, sadness that person B has also been feeling, they really wish that, can we just balance things out here and kind of get out of this feeling of sadness and regret and looking back at the past at who did what and why it happened and all that. Somebody just wants to get out of this very back and forth kind of connection or energy that they feel with person A. They do want to have communication as well. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? 8 of Pentacles. 8 of Pentacles. I think person B was very keen to work on this connection. They expected their person to put in work as well. Things were hopeful here. Person A and B were expected to put the work in, because this seemed like a very divine connection. Things were probably moving along in a good way. But then something toxic happened between the two of you. I don't know what this could be. Could be some addiction, or could be a fight, could be anger, could be jealousy. I don't know what happened between the two of you. And because of that, I think one person, or maybe both, just kind of stopped fighting for this connection. So the Wheel of Fortune. Yes, this is what happened. That fight happened, right? Somebody made some very swift, quick allegations, or said something, or something happened, and the wheel just turned after that. Person B in the past, I think, did want to have a brand new beginning. They did want things to go smoothly. They were looking forward to this celebration and happiness and reunion and whatever else. I mean, person B really had hopes of all this. They thought luck is now on our side. We can be happy together. We can have this Ace of Pentacles. We will start, we'll work on this connection. But I don't know what happened here. Cancer, you'll probably tell me in the comments. Out of the blue, unexpected, was something toxic which entered this connection, after which I think things started going downhill. So how does person B now see this connection, Spirit? Now person B feels, this brand new beginning that I was hoping for in the past. But, since right now things are not looking that good between the two of you, person B is kind of feeling, I'm not sure whether this is possible. That Ace of Pentacles which I dreamt of, it may not even become a reality. Person B is feeling as if they've been knocked down from their pedestal. They don't feel, there's victory anymore, or there's happiness anymore. Let's see, Ace of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Why does person B see this connection as that? I think as much as person B has kind of lost hope, they still have a lot of passion. They still have a lot of passion. They're trying to kind of hold back their passion right now. Not maybe show it because of this fight that's happened between the two of you, but maybe secretly awaiting person A's return. They do feel that, they wish that person A would kind of come back and be strong enough to maybe offer them a brand new beginning. Then Six of Wands, Spirit. Why do they feel like that? Six of Wands. Right now, they feel some secrets have been revealed now, which has actually ended this connection. They feel certain things have come out in the open which didn't make them feel good, or they felt, they may not be able to have victory. And one more, Spirit. One more. They are, I think, waiting for the other person to come towards them. Yeah, this person is still a little upset and angry. They're hoping that person A will take some kind of action and move towards them and reveal what's in their heart, so they can maybe then have a new beginning. They are hoping that their person will come correct. If they have to come, they hope there will be communication and they'll come correct this time. So if my phone is ringing, I hope you can't, it's non-disturbing. I'm not going to pick it up. So let's continue with the reading. Let's see, person A, if you had to, will you be making any movement or any action that will be taken from your end now? King of Cups in reverse. And this person has a lot of love in their heart, but they are also a bit emotionally very closed off. Yeah, this person is still kind of in their planning mode. They're still at crossroads. They're unable to come and express themselves. So maybe somewhere they're also very depressed after going through this tower moment. Now that they've realized who their perfect person is, this person could be slightly depressed at the moment. Maybe they're even sick or unwell. This shock that they've ruined a beautiful connection. Maybe it's too much for them to handle right now. They're feeling unloved. They feel they're right now at crossroads. They're still trying to plan and decide what to do. They feel if I go to my person right now, I'll be rejected. The way I've treated them in the past, the way I've behaved, I'm 100% going to be rejected. So they're just kind of standing here and kind of contemplating right now as to what's the next best action that they should take. But will they take any action, Spirit? Will they take any action this week? To be honest, right now, they're feeling a bit sad and depressed. Like I said, they're feeling a bit abandoned, left out in the cold. But in this time that they're taking to, feel the way they're feeling, more and more clarity is coming to them. And they will, sooner or later, Cancer, I don't know which side you're on, but person A is coming forward with some very clear, honest communication. That's what they truly want. They want to come as the Knight of Swords. They do want to have this communication. I think give them a little time here. Maybe they feel that they have neglected their partner in the past and now they are feeling in this position. This person is feeling a bit low. Okay? So, but they want to talk. They know what the truth is. They are clear in their mind that who their true partner is, and they will be coming forward sooner than later. So let's see, person B, will you be taking any action? See, this is what person A was afraid of. They know that their partner will reject them on sight because they've broken promises, right? And that's how exactly what person B is feeling. Person B is feeling, what's the point of them coming? Because they make promises and then they break them. They never speak the truth. I'm not even sure whether I want to accept them or not. So, Knight of Cups, Spirit? Knight of Cups? Yes, so there's some kind of a delay going on. There is neither of you are right now interested in messaging or telling each other anything because one person feels if I go forward, I'll be rejected. The other person saying if they do come and say something, they're going to break their promises. So what's the point? And heart of hearts, both of you yearning for that communication. Person A is going through a lot of maybe karmic lessons right now. They're feeling devastated at their own faults. And person B is a bit heartbroken, I would say, but still kind of waiting, a bit upset and angry, feeling disillusioned, feeling, knocked off their pedestal. But heart of hearts waiting for that communication which they expect person A to bring to them and, be honest, tell them what's in their heart. So anything else you can expect, Spirit, between the two of them now? Anything else we can expect? Yeah, see, neither of you are really putting in any work because both feeling overwhelmed right now. Both feeling that, feeling drained of energy, feeling, your love will not be reciprocated. This is, common mutual energy. So both don't know what work to put in to get this, love back into your lives. What you both are doing right now are spying on each other, just kind of looking from afar and not really moving, but still kind of watching and waiting and hoping. So this is, I think, Spirit's advice to you. One of you better start moving here, Cancer. If you guys want things to work out, there is a huge possibility of this actually working out and a brand new rebirth for this connection. The Judgment card is here. Okay, so yes, I think a time will come when you guys are going to end this fight and there will be a return of this connection and a stable new beginning can be started. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Cancer. I hope it worked for you. Do let me know or give me a thumbs up. I'll know how many it resonated with. Okay, it really helps. Sorry. Thank you. Love you. Till next time then, your next reading will be on Saturday, the Love Bite. See you then. Namaste.